Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials: unlocked phone, active Google or iCloud account, and stable Wi-Fi. Once ready, open WhatsApp and go directly to Settings, then Chats, then Chat Backup. You do this now because the app controls the backup toggle and cloud link. Make sure to note which account is listed. This is the backup target. If it shows Google Drive or iCloud, you're in the right place to stop or delete backups immediately. Now you disable automatic backups and remove the existing cloud copy. First, set backup to Google Drive or iCloud to never inside WhatsApp. This stops future uploads. Next, open your cloud storage app or web console, Google Drive or iCloud, and locate the WhatsApp backup entry, then delete it. Once done, sign into the cloud account and verify storage shows the file removed. This ensures WhatsApp cannot restore from that cloud copy later if you reinstall the app. Finish by clearing any local backups and confirming removal. On Android, open a file manager and delete files in /WhatsApp/databases. On iPhone, local backups live in encrypted device backups only. If you want a full reset, clear app data or reinstall WhatsApp. That prevents automatic restore. Once complete, open WhatsApp and confirm no restore prompt appears. If you still see a restore offer, check that you removed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.